Good morning to you. Happy Thursday, the 3rd of June. I'm Jessica Amir, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the Aussie market is looking to set another new record high for the second day. Here's what to watch. But first, let's think about overseas markets, where we saw the US indices all move up in unison, modestly 0.1% higher, closing just shy of their record highs. The Dow and the Nasdaq are just 1.4 and about 3.2% off respectively from their record highs. While over in Europe, their major markets all rose as well, but gains were also modest. I guess the hesitation comes because the world is awaiting a key jobs report out of the US, really telling of how many jobs the globe's biggest economy added in May. Job expectations are that 671,000 jobs will be added to the US economy in May. So we'll have to wait and see what happens on Friday. Now, what to watch today? Firstly, let's reflect on yesterday. Yesterday was a showstopper. We saw the AEST 200 rise 1.1% to a brand new record high of 7,218 points, closing at that level for the first time in history. Importantly, it's important to note what was behind the rally. Well, firstly, the economy is growing much stronger than forecast. Yesterday's GDP data for the first quarter of the year showed that the Aussie economy grew 1.8%, and that far surpassed expectations. So this growth is helping economic activity linked stocks like REIS, REH, and Bingo, BIN, claim some of the best performing posts in the ASX 200 this year, with both of those stocks up 40% already. Secondly, what else is behind the strong rally at the moment? Well, stronger commodity prices. They played a big part yesterday, with iron ore prices soaring again. So companies like Champion Iron, CIA, are trading 125% higher year on year. The third reason for yesterday's jump is that technical traders jumped into the market. So we hinted about this yesterday. And the market's short-term average, the 15-day moving average price, nudged above the 30-day moving average, and this caused algorithmic traders and quant traders to enter the market. So today, the odds are with us. The futures are suggesting the market will rally 0.2% and set a brand new record high. What to expect and what could take the market even higher? Well, better than expected economic news. That's what we all want. Retail trade data is out today for April. Keep an eye on that. And also balance of trade data, import-export data. Both of those data sets are out at 11:30. If the numbers are better than expected, we could see another rally and another leg up. Either way, expect moves in commodity stocks again today. Why? Well, three reasons. The oil price moved higher, setting an above two-year high. Despite paring back a little, it's holding at $68.77 US a barrel. Secondly, the iron ore price pushed up again. The iron ore price is up 3%, chasing down another record high that it previously hit. It's now $207.50 US a tonne. And thirdly, gold, that modestly rose to $1,911 a US ounce. That's a new 5-month high. Also, keep an eye on some of those most traded stocks from yesterday at Bell Direct. There was a lot of buying in Santos STO. It rose 6.5% yesterday. So keep an eye on STO. A smaller stock that's gaining a lot of interest is Imugene IMU. This stock also saw a lot of activity yesterday. Now their shares rose 5.3% yesterday. Month on month in the All Odds, Imugene is the best performing stock. It's actually up 93%. So keep an eye on Imugene. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, Worley Parsons, WOR. Well, they were upgraded by Citi overnight, the investment house, giving a new price target for WOR of $12.60. It's also a Macquarie buy with a $12 price target. Now, for those that don't know, Worley is a leading engineering, energy and resource consulting company that's continuing to win new contracts amid the economic recovery. Now, Citi upgraded WOR because its earnings, they're continuing to grow, and we know what happens when earnings grow. We generally see share price growth. Now, Citi is expecting Worley's energy profit to be 17% stronger in FY22 and in 2023. So that's key. Lastly, bullish charting signals have been identified in 3 stocks: Superloop, SLC, Charter Hall, CHC, and FYI Resources, FYIZ ticker. And that's according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Ramir with Builder X. Stay safe. Happy trading.